What if your skates could move with just a tap of your foot? Introducing the JoyErider Motorized Inline Skates, a futuristic leap in personal mobility that lets you ride hands-free, remote-free, and effortlessly. Unlike anything you've seen before, JoyErider skates respond to tap gestures, giving you full control without lifting a finger. Tap forward to accelerate. Tap the side to brake. It's that simple. The embedded smart sensors detect subtle movements and instantly translate them into smooth, responsive motion. Each skate packs a high-torque brushless motor, a rechargeable lithium battery, and a self-balancing control system. With speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and a range of around 10 miles, you can cruise your city streets, glide through campus, or simply enjoy a thrilling ride around the park. The Euro stabilization system adapts in real time to your weight and terrain, keeping you balanced and secure on hills, turns, and uneven surfaces. And when you're ready to take a break from the motor, just switch to free skate mode and roll like traditional inline skates. Safety hasn't been overlooked. JoyErider includes LED lights for night visibility, regenerative braking for smoother stops, and an emergency tap brake feature in case of sudden obstacles. Weighing under 8 pounds per skate, they're lightweight enough to carry and charge quickly using USB-C, perfect for students, commuters, or weekend adventurers. With JoyErider, the future of skating is smarter, sleeker, and entirely in your control, literally at your feet. JoyErider. Tap to go. Tap to stop. Freedom has never felt this smooth. In a future where speed, precision, and autonomy define the battlefield, one name is leading the charge. Overland AI has officially unveiled Ultra, the uncrewed land transport and robotics autonomy system, a fully autonomous tactical vehicle engineered for next-generation ground operations. Ultra isn't just a robotic vehicle. It's an intelligent ground asset designed to support military missions without a human behind the wheel. Built on Overland's advanced autonomy stack, Ultra navigates rugged, GPS-denied environments with unmatched awareness, making real-time decisions even in the most dynamic terrain. From reconnaissance and resupply to perimeter defense, Ultra is mission-ready 24/7. Its onboard AI uses vision-based systems, LiDAR, and neural mapping to analyze its surroundings, detect threats, and plan routes, all without remote operation or pre-map data. Ultra can operate independently or as part of a networked fleet, communicating with other units and command centers in real time. This makes it ideal for high-risk missions where keeping human soldiers out of harm's way is the top priority. Powered by a rugged off-road chassis, it's capable of tackling mud, sand, snow, and uneven rock with ease, and can carry hundreds of pounds of gear, payloads, or critical supplies to frontline positions. Designed in partnership with the U.S. Department of Defense, Ultra is not a concept, it's already being field-tested and refining its capabilities through real-world deployments. This is more than automation. This is the dawn of intelligent tactical mobility, where decisions are fast, terrain is no longer a barrier, and the future of combat gets a strategic edge. Ultra by Overland AI, autonomy in motion. Mission accepted. Imagine a plane that doesn't just take you from runway to sky, but from sky to lake, land, or adventure base camp, all in one flight. Introducing the MVP Aero Model 3, the world's most versatile amphibious light sport aircraft, designed for pilots who don't just fly, but explore. The MVP Model 3 is a two-seat, high-wing amphibious LSA that redefines what it means to travel light and free. With its rugged yet lightweight carbon fiber frame and folding wings, it can take off and land on runways, rivers, lakes, and even remote gravel bars. Whether you're navigating dense backcountry or open water, the MVP is ready to adapt. What makes it stand out? Its transformative cockpit. The canopy flips forward, the instrument panel lifts up, and the seats recline, turning the plane into a floating dock, a tent platform, or even a fishing deck in just minutes. It's not just transportation. It's a mobile adventure hub. Powered by a Rotax 912 engine, the MVP delivers efficient cruising speeds of over 100 knots and a range of more than 500 miles, all while meeting light sport aircraft regulations for ease of operation and training. Need to tow it or store it? No problem. The wings fold easily, allowing the aircraft to fit in a standard trailer or compact hangar. It's built for freedom, in the air and on the ground. With the MVP Aero Model 3, your runway could be anywhere, and your destination unlimited. Fly, land, explore, repeat. The MVP Model 3 isn't just an aircraft. It's the beginning of your next adventure. Imagine a printer that doesn't just print in color, but prints in texture. Introducing the Eufymake E1, the world's first personal 3D texture UV printer. Designed to bring your imagination to life, this compact desktop machine adds tactile surfaces and raised designs to ordinary prints, opening a new world of creativity, customization, and innovation. At the heart of the E1 lies its groundbreaking UV-cured inkjet technology. By layering UV-sensitive resins with pinpoint precision, it can create realistic embossed textures, from fine leather patterns on notebook covers, to tactile braille for accessibility applications, to simulated wood grains, fabric weaves, or even fingerprint-level detail. But it's not just for professionals. With intuitive software and plug-and-play connectivity, the E1 makes advanced surface printing accessible to designers, makers, teachers, and even curious students. Drag and drop your design, choose your texture, intensity, and watch the surface transform before your eyes. It supports a variety of materials: cardboard, glass, leather, acrylic, metal, and even phone cases, making it perfect for personalized gifts, small business branding, jewelry prototyping, or interactive educational tools. And it's all powered by AI-enhanced layering algorithms, ensuring maximum texture detail with minimum setup. You can upload an image and the software instantly maps it into height, depth, and UV curing parameters. No design expertise needed. Sleek, quiet, and safe for home use. The Eufymake E1 is more than a printer. It's a tactile creativity engine, reshaping how we think about printed surfaces. The future of personal printing is not just visual, it's textural. Eufymake E1. Feel your imagination. In the dynamic heart of Seoul, Hyundai Motor Group is shaping the future, not just on roads, but in buildings. Welcome to the Smart Office Building, where robotic services have become part of everyday life. This isn't science fiction. This is Hyundai's vision of a connected, intelligent workplace made real. At the core of this innovation are Hyundai's autonomous service robots, seamlessly integrated into the building's infrastructure. These aren't just moving gadgets. They are AI-powered assistants designed to interact with humans, deliver packages, guide visitors, and even monitor safety conditions. From the moment you enter the lobby, you're greeted by a friendly robot that checks your appointment, provides navigation, and leads you to your destination. Need coffee delivered to a meeting room? A mobile robot brings it, on time, every time. Forgot your access card? Facial recognition and mobile ID systems handle that securely, while the robots verify and escort. The building itself is a living, learning system supported by Hyundai's MobED platform, a modular robot base with omnidirectional wheels and smart navigation. Robots can climb ramps, navigate elevators, and reroute in real time to avoid crowds or obstacles. Backed by cloud AI, IoT sensors, and real-time data sharing, the system learns building routines, optimizes routes, and adapts to human behavior, creating a truly responsive workspace. More than just automation, this is about human-robot collaboration. By reducing repetitive tasks, Hyundai's robots free up employees for creative, high-value work, boosting both efficiency and satisfaction. From mobility to smart living, Hyundai is redefining what it means to move across cities, buildings, and ideas. Hyundai Smart Office Robotics, powering the workplace of tomorrow, today. For anglers, adventurers, and paddlers, power just got a lot more personal. Introducing the Bixpy K1 Angler Pro Outboard Kit, the ultimate lightweight propulsion system for kayaks, paddleboards, canoes, and small watercraft. Built for performance, engineered for stealth, and ready for anything. At the heart of the K1 is Bixby's next-generation brushless jet motor, compact but powerful, delivering up to 38 pounds of thrust while weighing under 10 pounds. It's whisper quiet, perfect for sneaking up on fish or gliding through nature without a trace. Installation? Simple. The K1 Angler Pro mounts on more than 20 different adapters, fitting nearly any vessel on the water. From inflatables to hardshell kayaks, from SUPs to dinghies. If it floats, it can fly. With the waterproof, wireless Bluetooth remote, you get 12 forward speeds and 3 reverse, all controlled from your wrist. Whether you're maneuvering through reeds or battling currents, the K1 gives you precise, fingertip control. But the magic lies in its swappable 768Wh lithium battery. Smart, safe, and built to last. You get up to 10 hours of runtime, depending on speed and conditions, with built-in LED battery indicators and emergency shutoff for peace of mind. Designed for anglers, the K1 also features weed guards, tool-free quick release, and adjustable steering. You control silently, position with precision, or cruise effortlessly to your next spot, all while conserving your energy for what really matters. This isn't just a motor, it's freedom. The Bixpy K1 Angler Pro turns any small craft into a high-performance, low-profile fishing machine. Explore farther, fish smarter, paddle less. Bixpy Power. Evolved.